In this video, we are looking at a new project called as LongRAG. In traditional RAG frameworks, the basic retrieval units are quite small. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. All it does is provide more context or your personal context to the large language models. There are various components which are involved in creating a RAG pipeline. One of them is called as a retriever, ranker, and then there are few others. The common retrievers like DPR normally work with 100-word Wikipedia paragraphs. Such a design forces the retriever to search over a large corpus to find the needle unit. In contrast, the readers only need to extract answers from the short retrieved units. Such an imbalanced heavy retriever and light reader design can lead to suboptimal performance. In order to alleviate the imbalance, this project proposes LongRAG, which consists of a long retriever and a long reader. LongRAG processes the entire Wikipedia into 4K token units, which is 30 times longer than before. By increasing the unit size, they have significantly reduced the total units from the 22 million to just 600K. This significantly lowers the burden of retriever, which leads to remarkable retriever score. Now, we can combine this long RAG with long context LLMs, especially the LLMs like GPT-4o, Gemini, and all the massive Anthropic's LLMs. If you look at this diagram, this shows you that traditional RAG operates on short retrieval units where retriever needs to scan over massive amounts of units to find the relevant pieces. In contrast, long RAG operates on long retrieval units, which is 30 times longer. Retriever has a much less workload that significantly boosts the recall score. LongRAG fully exploits the ability of long context language models or readers to achieve strong performance. Let me show you another framework diagram, which as I mentioned earlier, that this LongRAG is composed of long retriever and long reader. On the left hand side, you can see that the long retrieval unit is grouped by Wikipedia documents through hyperlinks. Each retrieval unit contains an average of 4K tokens, which corresponds to multiple related documents. And on the right hand side, it shows a multi-hop question answer test case from Hotpot QA. The final result can be achieved by using only a few retrieval units, which is then fed into a long reader. Employing a long context retriever with an average number of tokens for each retrieval unit up to 6K, that compresses the corpus size up to 30 times, as we mentioned earlier, and that enhances top 1 answers recall by approximately 20 points. There are a lot of benchmarking information which is present on their project page, and I will drop the link to it in video description. So I believe quite a good project, but if you look at their GitHub repo, I think it is still something in development because some of the stuff still don't work, especially the code. I tried to implement it locally and there are few bugs around there. So I will be watching this project quite closely, and as it matures a bit more, then I will create a local demo video as how exactly it works, and then we'll be able to see in practice if we are able to do the long RAG with long context LLMs. But all in all, I think pretty good concept. Really liked it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thanks for watching.